Hi everyone, thank you for joining our video on representations in pharma and medtech. In our field, innovation doesn't happen in isolation. To bring medicines and devices to patients, companies must navigate complex requirements from different jurisdictions. Success here doesn't just depend on scientific excellence, it depends on how well companies engage with regulators, respond to their expectations, and maintain a trusted presence across jurisdictions. An EU representative ensures that companies outside the EU have a credible point of contact in front of the national competent authorities and the European Medicine Agency, whether it's representation to the SME office for smaller enterprises or acting as an EU applicant and future MA holder for medicines or European authorized representative for MedTech manufacturers. These roles are critical for timely communication, compliance, and long-term market access and success. Today, we will explore how these responsibilities connect across the Atlantic. I'm joined by my esteemed guest, Free Pei, an experienced global regulatory affairs consultant and CEO of Pei Ra Consulting. With extensive experience in US requirements, Free will share insights into the US agent role and why it's critical for ensuring smooth and effective interactions with the FDA. Free, floor is yours.
Thank you, Irina, and hello, everyone. From my experience, having the right U.S. agent is extremely critical for companies working with the FDA, especially companies that are not located within the U.S. In the United States, a U.S. agent acts as the primary liaison between non-U.S. sponsors and the FDA. This role goes far beyond simply receiving agency communications. It's about guiding companies through the FDA processes, ensuring that submissions are complete, and being ready to respond in a timely manner and accurately relaying the sponsor's position and messaging when the FDA raises questions. Throughout my career, I've supported companies with INDs, NDAs, BLAs, as well as pre-submission meetings and other health authority engagements. And I've witnessed firsthand how preparation and clarity in communication with regulators can mean the difference between delays and successful outcomes. Efficiency matters. When dossiers are prepared or your many core elements can be leveraged for the FDA and vice versa. Instead of starting over, we can repurpose and adapt the dossier, maintaining consistency while saving time, resources, and reducing workload. An experienced U.S. agent helps anticipate FDA expectations. They manage the timelines and they coordinate filings in a way that avoids surprises. And when global development is at stake, close coordination becomes the bridge that keeps projects moving forward seamlessly across multiple jurisdictions.
What we've heard today reinforces a simple truth. Regulatory representation is not a formality. It's a cornerstone of global market access. At Indaea, we provide representation services for both pharma and medtech, and with our trusted partners globally, companies gain a unified representation bridge across different jurisdictions. What makes this approach unique is that Indaea integrates global representation under one quality management system, ensuring harmonized procedures, seamless reporting, and consistent regulatory interactions across different markets. Tiers are built once, then smartly adapted, avoiding duplication, accelerating timelines, and creating consistency across submissions. In the end, it's not just about fulfilling obligations, it's about building trusted, efficient, and resilient representation systems that enable companies to accelerate development, safeguard compliance, and reach patients faster. So, let's connect to design your integrated representation strategy together. Thank you.